Account abstraction is all the rage at the moment, but actually there's a long history of different proposals trying in different ways to get account abstraction on the Ethereum blockchain. This is still an ongoing process and nothing has been finalized yet, but the clear leader at the moment is ERC4337, though it doesn't actually alter the core protocol, but there is a working implementation available today. But what if I told you that account abstraction was possible today? And the kind developers here at Gelato have created a simple SDK to get you started with one of the standout features of account abstraction, going gasless. This Gasless Wallet and Gasless Onboarding SDK from Gelato allows you to, with just a social login such as Google or Discord, deploy a smart contract wallet, interact with the blockchain through that wallet, all in one click. It is gasless because it's powered by Gelato Relay. So let's take a look. We are going to do a gasless mint for an NFT, but not the usual flow where you have to connect a wallet and sign and send a transaction. We are going to do it with a simple social login powered by Web3 Auth. This will generate a custodial wallet for us, which we will use in combination with Gelato Relay to deploy a smart contract wallet, a Gnosis safe, on our behalf. This is known as a gasless wallet. This gasless wallet will then be the recipient of the freshly minted NFT. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm going to click sign in, and Web3 Auth pops up. For this, I'm going to use Google as my social login. Once my Google account is connected, you can see some information here on the screen. The first line is an EOA address. This is the custodial wallet generated for us by Web3 Auth. The second line is the smart wallet address, the 0xFC address. This address has actually not been deployed yet, but once I click mint your NFT, it will go ahead and all in one click, deploy the smart contract wallet, interact through that smart contract wallet to the target NFT contract, and mint my NFT to this smart wallet. So let's try it out. The NFT is minting to IPFS. And there we have it. My NFT number 5 here has been minted. You can even go ahead and check it out on OpenSea. There it is, owned by the FC address. Remember, that's the smart contract wallet address that we can see back here. This gasless onboarding flow with the gasless wallet allows for your users to not even have to worry about having a wallet and all the headaches that come along with that. And even better for you as the developer, you don't have to worry about changing your target smart contracts to be relay compatible, for example with ERC2771. This is all made possible with Gelato's Gasless Wallet SDK and Gelato Relay, and the ultimate flexibility it provides you over the use of a conventional wallet. Check out the links below to get started today.